Have you ever looked at a papaya tree and wondered if its leaves held secrets just as powerful as its fruit? While the juicy papaya fruit is well known for its taste and nutrients, its leaves are packed with remarkable healing properties that many people overlook. In today's video, we'll uncover the incredible health benefits of papaya leaves, and why you might want to include them in your wellness routine. Stay with us to the end for bonus tips on how to safely use papaya leaf at home. 1. Rich in powerful nutrients, papaya leaves are nutrient-dense. They contain vital compounds like vitamins A, C, E, and B complex, including folate. They're also packed with minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, and potassium. These nutrients support everything from bone health to immune function. What makes papaya leaf unique, however, is the presence of powerful plant-based enzymes, most notably papain and chymopapain. These enzymes help in digestion, reducing inflammation, and even breaking down harmful proteins in the body. 2. Natural remedy for dengue fever. One of the most researched and talked about benefits of papaya leaf is its ability to help manage dengue fever. Studies have shown that papaya leaf extract can significantly increase platelet count in people suffering from dengue. This is crucial, because dengue often causes dangerous drops in platelets, increasing the risk of bleeding. The extract works by boosting the bone marrow's production of platelets and supporting the body's immune response. This remedy is so trusted that many hospitals across Asia and Africa recommend it as a complementary treatment for dengue. 3. Boosts immunity. Thanks to its rich antioxidant profile, papaya leaf is a strong immunity booster. The high levels of vitamin C and other flavonoids help protect your body from oxidative stress, support white blood cell function, and reduce chronic inflammation. This makes it especially useful during flu season or in cases of viral infections. 4. Supports digestive health, struggling with indigestion, bloating, or constipation. Papaya leaf might help. Its enzymes, papain and chymopapain, aid in breaking down proteins, easing the digestive process. It also contains fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements and a healthy gut. Traditional healers have long used papaya leaf tea to treat gastrointestinal disorders such as ulcers, acid reflux, and parasitic infections. 5. Fights inflammation and pain. Papaya leaf contains alkaloid compounds like carpine, which possess anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. These compounds can help reduce joint pain, muscle inflammation, and even symptoms of arthritis. It's a gentle, natural option for those seeking relief without relying entirely on pharmaceutical painkillers. 6. Balances blood sugar levels. Preliminary research and traditional practices have shown that papaya leaf may help in managing blood sugar levels. Its compounds may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce oxidative stress in the pancreas. For those dealing with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes, regular consumption, under a doctor's supervision, could support better glycemic control. 7. Papaya aids liver detoxification. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, and papaya leaf is known to support liver function. It enhances the breakdown of toxins and promotes liver regeneration. In Ayurvedic and African medicine, papaya leaf juice is used to treat jaundice and other liver-related ailments. 8. Papaya improves skin health. Papaya leaf benefits go beyond internal health. It can do wonders for your skin. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help treat acne, eczema, and skin infections. The vitamin C boosts collagen production, promoting firmer, younger-looking skin. Applying papaya leaf extract or juice topically can help soothe irritations and brighten the skin. 9. May support cancer prevention. While more research is still needed, some studies suggest that papaya leaf extract may have anti-cancer properties. It contains compounds that inhibit the growth of cancer cells in laboratory studies, particularly in breast, liver, and pancreatic cancer lines. These effects are believed to come from the leaf's antioxidant-rich, immune-modulating nature. How to use papaya leaf. You can consume papaya leaves as a tea, juice, or in capsule form. To make tea, boil cleaned papaya leaves in water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain. For juice, blend the leaves with a bit of water and strain out the pulp. Be sure to start with small doses, 1 to 2 tablespoons of juice a day, and consult your doctor, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication. In conclusion, so there you have it, the amazing, science-backed benefits of papaya leaf. Whether you're looking to support your immune system, aid digestion, protect your liver, or care for your skin and hair, this green treasure from nature may just be the solution you need. Remember, natural remedies work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness wisdom. Drop your questions or experiences with papaya leaf in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.